You can see here I shut the breaker off to the house, so it's not pulling from the utility. If those 3 solar panels were pointing up, it would be amazing. I can only imagine what 6 of those monster panels will do. Okay, now I'll turn on the toaster, which uses 4.5 amps. It's still charging the battery and running the toaster. Right now it's pulling a 0.5 kilowatt from the panels. It's charging the batteries and it's putting only 127 watts, 1.127 kilowatts to the house. I got the fan, all the lights on, the TV, every single thing in the house is on. It's just not touching the air conditioner. I mean, everything's on in the house. The freezer, the refrigerator, the TV, all the indoor, outdoor lights. Everything from 3 panels pointing across the street. Not even pointing up, getting the full sun. And I'll turn the toaster off now, and you'll see in the upper left in the green, it'll drop. It takes a minute. At least it should drop. It will. The app's a little slower. If you get a POW mister, you'll also get the option for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi like this, so you'll have an app like this on your cell phone. But yeah, I just turned the breaker off in the house. There's nothing coming from the orange utility. So if I had 6 panels, I could run that air conditioner full blast on boost at 17 degrees. I could have the windows frosty in the house. Frost would be building up on the windows, and run everything, even another freezer and refrigerator. This is just 3 panels leaning up against the side of the house.